Want to learn advanced Python dictionary skills as a beginner? Welcome to the 4th episode of Intro to Python series, where we will be covering all the basics knowledge needed to code Python. Last time, we talked about the basic things about dictionaries and a few topics on accessing dictionaries or adding things into a dictionary. Now we will be talking about filtering dictionary values, merging dictionaries, and nesting dictionaries in this video. Before we get started though, hit the like and subscribe button as that helps motivate me to create more content. If you have any other cool ideas, leave them down in the comments below. Now, if you guys haven't watched my last video on dictionaries, please go watch that first if you don't know how to create a dictionary. But if you do know how to create dictionaries and the dictionary structure, please go along. So first, let's see how we can filter dictionaries. So what we see here is a grading book. So now, how do we filter a dictionary? First, we create a new variable. Let's say filtered equals to, now curly brackets. So we have to give names for the key and value. So since our key is student name, so we're gonna go name, colon, and then we're gonna say grades, because the value is a grade, for name, comma, grades in gradebook dot items, like so. So let's say we want to filter the students who got 90 and above. If grades more than 90, alright, then we're going to print filtered. Click play. Now here, we can see only Max and Robin in here because they all got 90 and above, while Tyler got 75, did not meet the criteria. Alright, now we know how to filter dictionaries. Now, let's see how to merge dictionaries. In order to merge dictionaries, we need two dictionaries. So now, we have gradebook A and gradebook B. But in order to merge them together, we need to use a new variable. So let's say total gradebook equals to curly brackets and now two asterisks. And we're going to say gradebook A, two more asterisks, and gradebook B, just like so. Now we're gonna print total grading book. Now we'll see all 6 students inside the merged dictionary. So guys, this is how we merge dictionaries. And lastly, what we're gonna talk about is nesting dictionaries. So we got rid of gradebook B as we don't need that. So currently 96 is a value. But if we want to nest a dictionary, we might want to say semester 1, he got 96. And then inside the curly brackets, use a comma and then apostrophe. And we want to say semester 2. Let's say he got 92. Alright, let me do this for Robin and Tyler first. Here, this is how a nested dictionary looks like. We have the key and a value. So the nested dictionary acts as a value to a key. So example, Max. The nested dictionary is the values, which is his grades for semester 1 and semester 2. So here we can see that semester 1, Max got 96, semester 2, Max got 92. And same for the rest. Let's try print that. Print gradebook A. Now play it. So here we can see semester 1 and semester 2. However, if we want to access just one student's grade, so we will go with the square brackets. Let's say we want to see Tyler's. Tyler, and then another square bracket. We have to see which one we want to get, semester 1 or semester 2. Let's say you want to get his semester 2's record. Alright, so we click play, and now only 86 will show up because in the key Tyler and in the key semester 2, the value is 86. If we change it to semester 1, it'll be 75. Like so. That's it, guys. If you haven't watched our last video, please go watch it. See you later, guys.